I'm here with Tomas at the kitchen at Second Harvest, and we're joined by Laurent Zarate from Fleur de Sel Restaurant and Creperie, and we get to taste some of the recipes that viewers have sent in. And so we are talking about lavender. So cooking with flowers, right?
Oh, yes.
So at your restaurant, do you use flowers a lot?
We do. Mainly we garnish with flower, pansies, orchids. They're pretty in a salad as a garnish for a dish. It's pretty, but lavender talks to me because this is the south of France,
right?
It's Provence,
It's Provence.
Exactly. It's something that is special in flavor. If you put too much lavender in a dish, well, it tastes like soap.
Right.
One of my favorite crème brûlée I make is lavender scented crème brûlée.
Ooh,
with a touch of lavender and a touch of vanilla. It's beautiful.
Amazing.
So flowers are, you can infuse lavender.
I've been able to cook with like nasturtiums and rose petals,
Rose are beautiful.
and some other different things that we made soups out of and sauces, and it was just unbelievable. Blew my mind that's what it ended up tasting like, because you think, I'm going to eat some
flowers.
And it can be very scary at first when you're thinking of flowers, because you don't usually think of throwing rose petals and things like that.
Beautiful.
So we are going to have some lavender shortbread cookies.
Oh, I love shortbread.
Right? So this is from Mary Eileen. And so a buttery lavender flavored dough. And she uses finely chopped fresh lavender in these cookies.
Beautiful,
so I know,
beautiful.
they're
I
gonna
cannot
taste
wait.
so delicate. So we're gonna see how they're made first. Okay, these look beautiful.
Oh, they are beautiful.
Yeah.
They look good. They
We
are
do
cut
need a
well.
cup of tea, don't we?
We do.
It would be great.
Hold your pinky out.
I love a cup of tea.
Earl Grey. Talk about flaky. That's a shortbread.
That lavender, it's there, but it's not overpowering.
No.
It's very nice. It's just kind of like a little hello.
And I like the.
Yeah.
I like it.
I could eat it.
You do have to be careful with the lavender, though. Like you said, if you use too much, then it tastes like you're eating soap.
Yeah, but this is
But
perfect.
no, this is
Perfect
great.
balance.
These are
And
great.
the cookie dough is fantastic.
I like it a lot. Very good. So we're going to
Mary
thank Mary Eileen.
Yeah, Mary Eileen, awesome.
To get Mary Eileen's recipe for lavender shortbread cookies, visit wagrown.com.